Hello everyone. We have started week 3. It's a very important week. We cover one of the most important subjects of the entire course, the concept of comparative advantage, as well as how trade based on comparative advantage leads to gains for the countries that take part in it. I'm also making available for you the first reading for our discussion on global economic topics and news. Your contribution is not due until week 4, so don't be alarmed, but you can start looking at the reading this week. In a sense, this is a bit of a provocative reading. It talks about global value chains, a concept that we've just touched marginally during the first week during our introduction. The reading illustrates global value chains with the case of the Apple's iPhone, and it explains how the traditional way of thinking about trade that we have learned this week during lecture needs to be stretched a little bit to make sense of what's going on. A lot of the jargon that is used in this article will sound new to you for now, but I bet that by the end of this course it will all sound very familiar and you will think back to this piece with a deeper understanding. For now, just go through this reading, summarize it, and trying to use the simple tools of analysis of these first few weeks to make sense of what the article talks about. One question you want to answer in your contribution is, how does comparative advantage shapes global value chains? Also, do you agree or you disagree with the conclusions and suggestions of the author on where the iPhone should be assembled? Notice, you don't have to necessarily agree with the author's point of view. Um, I actually disagree with his main conclusion, but I think this article still is worth reading, and it offers some interesting food for thought. I hope you're enjoying the class so far, and I hope you had a good weekend, a good long weekend. We'll talk to you soon.